From executive breakfasts to multi-day conferences and webinars, ITWeb events are captured in videos that summarize these high-quality events. Researched and developed by an experienced team, these highlights on the ICT calendar aims to meet the needs of business executives and IT decision makers who are looking to adapt and evolve their organizations. ITWeb's event video offering, which is also available for outsourcing, strives to encapsulate the agenda with in-person interviews, along with shots of top-level keynotes, multiple tracks, breakaway sessions, demo labs, training and networking. Whether delivered virtually or in person, an ITWeb event is the ideal platform for industry experts, key vendors and top ICT professionals to share ideas and information and discuss the latest best practices.